Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.48. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.81%. This results in an average return of 0.91% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently sits at the upper end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $105.60 would first indicate a deceleration in the decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we foresee a potential decline of approximately 15.75% over this period, with a possible return ranging between negative 39.46% and negative 11.56%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected decline of 37.26%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance might fluctuate between negative 54.68% and negative 19.49% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $45.59 and $80.98. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 1.81% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025. The price rose from $98.80 to $100.59. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.31% with a low of $98.79 and a high of $102.05. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 17.57% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with a total of 11 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 40 million shares changed hands for approximately $4.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 46.29% or $86.69, below the 52-week high, and 55.75% or $126.71, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices is making headlines today following its first quarter of 2025 earnings report. Analysts expect a boost in revenues driven by strong growth in client and data center segments, despite a downturn in the gaming and embedded areas. This strong performance could enhance investor confidence and positively impact AMD's stock price in the short term. However, it's important to note that the broader semiconductor sector has faced challenges, with the VanEck Semiconductor ETF dropping 13% this year. Nevertheless, market sentiment remains optimistic, with AMD being highlighted as a compelling investment opportunity due to its strong earnings history and potential for artificial intelligence-driven growth, offering a significant upside of 52% based on current valuations. Additionally, AMD is poised to compete aggressively with NVIDIA, a rivalry that underscores the competitive landscape in the semiconductor space. With a strong earnings track record and an undervalued position in the market, AMD could offer long-term growth prospects, especially if it continues to leverage advancements in artificial intelligence technology. Investors should keep an eye on AMD's developments as the company navigates through these challenges and strives to capitalize on new opportunities, which could significantly affect its stock performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Advanced Micro Devices a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also gave Advanced Micro Devices a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Advanced Micro Devices a hold grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup issued a neutral grade for Advanced Micro Devices along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned an overweight grade to Advanced Micro Devices along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Advanced Micro Devices. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart reveals mostly positive signals today. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which points to a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support at the levels of $97.50 and $97.43. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A notable buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has experienced an increase of 28.62%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average divergence, or MACD. Alongside this, the trading volume is rising in conjunction with the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 128 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 122 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $96.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the course of the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.27 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.31%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.36%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 93 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $100.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $96.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 15.818. Overall, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $95.93, representing a decrease of 4.64%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Although the stock is currently on a downward trend, we believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by approximately 11.5 cents and begin trading at $100.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.